So I'm the National Sales Manager for Beamer Laser Marking Systems. We manufacture standalone turnkey solutions, partially automated solutions, fully automated inline solutions. So it's a one-stop shop for automation technology. Beamer manufactures the laser marking equipment, so we create the machine. The laser itself is primarily for tracking, traceability, serialization throughout a manufacturing process. It's not necessarily a one-size-fits-all product. It's something that we get to create a solution for our customers, which is, exciting. We get to work with aerospace and defense. We get to work in the firearms industry, government industries, medical industry, automotive industry, pretty much anything when it comes to industrial automation. I never have the exact same thing every day. It's something new every day. We are growing exponentially. We're going to have needs for sales engineers, production individuals. I mean, it's pretty much endless in how many new roles are going to arise when talking about Beamer. It's a family atmosphere. Everyone collaborates, all moving in one direction to better arch, to better Beamer.